Welcome to so hello guys. Welcome to our HyperNation's daily Twitters. How you guys doing? Uh, my name is Liam, and I'm really glad that you guys are here to be in this session. So, today we're going to talk about the blockchain start, and I'll have my partner, um, speaker Mike, to do the presentations, or should I say the speaking. The floor is yours, Mike. Oh wow! It seems that Mike's having some technical issues. Don't worry, I'll do the talking for this one. Um, Later on, I'll have Mike come back to do the part of it. So basically today we're gonna talk about the blockchain startup that starts revolutionizing cancer research actually. So cancer research is one of the biggest unsolved medical mysteries of our time. While big breakthroughs in personalized medicines and huge steps is in prevention may suggest we are moving in the right directions. But the numbers says otherwise. The International Agency for Research on Cancer predicts that by 2040, the could increase by as much as 47% from 2020, sorry. Well, as the incidence of cancers increases globally, we need to ask ourselves what can be done to reduce the unnecessary death caused by the complex sets of disease. Well, for a disease with more than 200 types of subtypes actually, the answers was never going to be simple. But billions of euros funnels into cancer research. Annually, is uncovering new paths for research into individuals' cancer types and stages. Over the past 10 years, because of oncological trials being initiated per year has grown by, if I'm not wrong, 60% from 2,500 in 2007 to nearly 4,000 in 2017, according to the National Institute of Gene Therapies. Tested in clinical trials, the likelihood of success is around 5%. Okay, so um, shift from traditional R&D is calls for a shift in cancer research. There are fatal flaws in the traditional process of research in development. Well, for example, when generating hypotheses, researchers scopes manually through thousands of papers to identify promising new molecules or combinations. Furthermore, the availability of data is poor due to the number of clinical trials which never get published. Insights from failed trials often never reach researcher, creating inefficiency through repeating the same mistakes. While new methods of conducting this research include using the AI, one company, InnoPlux, if I'm not wrong, it's called InnoPlux, yes, uses the AI to search terabytes of data from across the published and unpublished research work, filtering for reliable sources related to life sciences and organize it for researchers. Well, this way, the process of hypothesis generations for clinical trials is accelerated. However, AI alone is not always enough, despite offering a huge benefits over classical R&D. Well, these are the research gaps. That's only real-world data. RWD can feel. While RWD comes directly from patients, most commonly used for reviewing post-market safety and efficiency of therapies. However, by integrating RWD at different stages in the clinical trial process, we can significantly speed up and improve the likelihood of success of therapy from the outset actually. So how do we even collect these data? Haven't those who have been through cancer had enough of hospital visits and scans? Well, Curia by OncoCoins is setting out to answer these questions, making the collections of WD to drive forward cancer research easier for patients and researchers. Well, that's the next part will be about revolutionizing patients participants. Okay, so about this, we'll have our Mike to talk about it. So, Mike, are you back? Yes, thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. So, I'm sorry, we was having some technical issue. So the revolution patient participant is that the Curia apps aims to create a new world of possibilities for patient participating and research. At its core, it is designed to provide patients with vital information to help them manage their disease and make the important decisions about their treatment journey. Patients also have access to services such as a second opinion, the ability to be matched with the most similar patient in the apps to share experience and others in apps offering. Now comes the crux on how this patient ecosystem can revolutionize cancer research. Researchers can submit studies, survey, or questionnaire to the apps in which patient can choose to participate. Information collected may Information collected may include blood reports, pathology reports, doctor letter, or researchers may be looking to ask more qualitative questions. For example, regarding the quality of the life. The data patient shares is licensed out to the researcher securely over blockchain, meaning patient always remain in control. Furthermore, patients are rewarded for their contribution with on, on coins token, which necessary in value as the value to the data comes to the vision. Projects such as this empower patients to own their own data by more involved in their cancer journey. Statistics shows that patients who feel empowered during their cancer journey reports a better standard of care and are even shown to have improved clinical outcomes. With more empowered patients who take controls of their cancer journey and participating in clinical research, the state for cancer has a positive future. AI and blockchain are unlikely to disrupt the healthcare space fully without working in parallel with patients. The more we can do to make technology more accessible to patients, offering them hope to change the course of their cancer journey while contributing to cancer research. The closer, the closer we come, the closer we come to curing this deadly set of disease. That's all for today, and then we will hand over to the host, Mr. William. Back. I'm sorry, guys. It seems like even the host is having some technical issue, so we will end our conversations over here. So if you have any question, you can feel free to ask us. Thank you.